Alright, so ever since me and my guy Sammy Beats collabed on an Amapiano drill video, I've been getting a lot of requests for an Amapiano tutorial. The only problem is, I've never actually made an Amapiano beat, but I want to change that today. I've been hearing more and more of it recently, and honestly the whole thing's a vibe. I think it's sick, so I need to learn how to make it. So right now I'm going to spend some time listening to the music, I'm going to watch some tutorials, and then whatever I learn I'm going to share with you guys. And yo, I just want to say a huge thank you to everyone that's been pre-ordering my new Love and War album, which is out on the 7th of July. We're currently the #1 best-selling album in the whole of the iTunes charts. That's all genres. It's so sick to see, man. It's just a madness. So yeah, much love to everyone that's pre-ordered it. I've got a free drum kit coming your way, and let's get into the video. Alright, I spent some time listening to mixes from Romeo Makota, been watching some tutorials from Sammy Beats and 7th Beats, so shout out to them. I feel like I've got a little bit of an understanding, so I'm just going to jump straight in. First things first, the BPM needs to come off that 143. I see BPM's around 112, 113, up to 115, so let's go with 113. And most of the time I start off with the melody, but I feel like with Amapiano, the main thing is the drums, the percussion, the bounce, and just the overall vibe. So I'm actually going to start with the percussion. I just found this shaker loop. I think this will give us a good starting point. And for the bounce, it's all about using different types of percussion to get the right feeling. So I'm just going to take some sounds that I like. And I'm really just grabbing anything I like the sound of. There's no other thought process behind it. We'll take this kick. And that might be it for now. I'm not necessarily going to use all of these, but we'll see. So when I listen to the drums, the main rhythm that I hear is just something like that. So you'll see what I mean. Like that kind of thing. Maybe we could lay this. Now we could fill in some of the gaps. We could add a couple more snares. Maybe another snare like this. And then I'm just going to copy this pattern. So I'll do that for each one. Yeah, I like the way this is sounding. And then for the kick, you want to add my bass kick, go to pre-computed effects, boost that shit up, grab my fat and wide 808, and then add some dark pads. I'm so used to doing that, but we're switching it up today, and that's pretty much the opposite of what you want to do. The kick that you want to use for Amapiano beats is quite deep. It's not clipped. It's not meant to hit hard or anything. So I found this one which sounds pretty good. I'm just going to right click and fill each 4-step. I like this sound. Maybe just here, or maybe just every other one. See what else we could add. Maybe that. Could add that in the playlist. There we go. Alright, I think that gives me enough bounce for now. So I'm going to move on to a melody, then maybe go back to some drums. And for the melody, I hear a lot of pads, Rhodes, and just vibey sound. I'll just start with some kind of electric piano, and then I could always layer it or switch the sound. I like this sound. This too. Could just start off with a standard Rhodes like this, then add some reverb. Let's go with some plate reverb. And I'm just going to draw in some chords. Let's just stretch that out, add another one here. And then I'm thinking something like this. Okay, let's just pitch this down a bit. Kind of like it here. Let's change the sound first though. Like this one actually. This one sounds sick. So I'm going to copy that out. I think get rid of that at the end. Just make a couple changes. Find it easier to make a melody with some sort of keys, and then I can swap it back to that pad sound. Yeah, I like the way they sound, so I'll copy these over. I'll add some bass notes as well. So I started on A. And then we'll just change this last one. I'm going to strum these notes. And just randomize the velocity. Just want to go with a nice chill vibe. copy that into the other sound. Maybe we could pitch the pad up. Yeah, it's vibey, man. And then for the counter melody, for now I'm just going to clone that Rhodes. And I'm just going to record something in. I want to change the sound though, and I'm thinking some sort of lead. I like this one. Yeah, that's a vibe. I'm just adding the same reverb, but I've got the decay time up a little bit more on this. Alright, now I just want some sound that has some sort of tremolo on it, or I could add my own. This will just be like one note. I like this pluck though. I think just that, you know. Just adds a nice layer. I also want that to go between both ears. Only other bits I want to add to the melody are just either something quite ambient or some textures. And I just found this. I think this is going to sound sick underneath. Yeah, it's vibey. Alright, next up I'm going to open Purity, which I haven't used in a long time. But a common preset that I've been seeing is this tremolo signal. Just the root note, I think. Yeah, it does sound hard, you know. Alright, now I'm thinking I might be doing too much to the melody, because a lot of Amapiano beats here are quite deep sounding. But I'm not really going to have everything playing at the same time, so I might just save that guitar, for example, have that in one section, but we'll see. For now though, I just want to add in a bass. And for a long time I was wondering what bass sound they were using, but it seems to be from a stock plugin called DX10. A preset called Bass Pluck. But my guy Sammy Beats has also sent me some presets. I want some short ones and some longer ones. Copy that. Maybe cut that and bring this one up an octave. Hard. And then just move these down. And then I'm thinking we could add some rolls like this. And just fade those up. Yeah, that's hard. And I think with these two, just for some ear candy, I'm going to pan them like this. If you got headphones on, it sounds sick. I'm going to copy that one more time, then just copy these in. And with this last one, I'm just going to pitch it down. It's just to get more of the attack. Alright, so I'm liking the way the log drum sounds. I just need to quickly mix the percussion, and then I need to add some more effects. So I've just taken all of the percussion and drums, I've sent them to a drum bus, and I'm just going to level and pan them. So I'm just kind of balancing each one out. Like I've got a couple snares, so I can pan one to the left, one to the right. Everything else is pretty much okay. Only thing I want to bring down is that shaker. But then with the lead, I can pan that to the left and the guitar that to the right. Alright, next I'm just adding a couple fills and then some downlifters like this. Yeah, could add this though. Just giving it more atmosphere. Alright, we could add some small fills like this. Then I'm thinking this one. I also found this Vox that might go nice. Alright, last thing I found is just some vocals to add. Found these in Splice and I just need to pitch them to A minor. So yeah, we'll just grab an EQ, cut out some of the lows and highs. I'm going to add that same plate reverb, but bring the wet signal right up. Bring the wet signal to about there, and then just turn the sound right down. I think some delay too. Yeah, there we go. Ping pong mode too. Alright, sick. I think I've got everything I need right now, so I'm gonna split the pattern and do a quick arrangement. So yeah, I've got everything here. I'm just gonna copy it out a couple times. And I think we'll just start with the drums and percussion. Thinking we could start with that as well. Okay, in this part, maybe we bring in the keys. Take that box out. Yeah, so this bit sounds sick. So I just want to slowly start bringing things in. So maybe in this part, we'll bring in the log drum. I think cut everything here. Yeah, that's hard. So yeah, I can have most things here. Let's save the lead and the guitar and the pluck. Yeah, save the vocals too. And then I think when the guitar comes in, cut out the lead and the pluck. Yeah, that's the one. And then maybe in this part, we'll just have a quick cut of the drums. Okay, and then I think I can have one more section like that. And then I think from there, I can just go back to this section with the keys. And I'm not thinking too much about the structure. I'm just building something up. And then after a while, I just want to reset it. So yeah, just have some kind of pause like this. Alright, so let's have a listen from the beginning. So yeah, just starting off with the percussion, drums. Couple vocal shots. And then the keys come in. Cactus. It's kind of a slow build up. But I like the vibe, man. Let me know what you think in the comments too. So now we've got the log drums in. Log drums are sit. And then most things are here. Yeah, I think this is a vibe. Now we introduce a few more things. A little cut in the percussion too, just to keep it interesting. Now we got the guitar. So see how at the start we had everything, sounded kind of busy, but now I've just found a space for each one. So yeah, if you're feeling this one, definitely let me know in the comments and I'll make more Amapiano videos. But if you want to see Amapiano mixed with drill, click up here. Or to stick to standard drill, click up here.